What is up guys? Welcome to Kingley Auto. Today we about to make another video for you guys. And today I'm gonna show you guys how to replace your front driver motor window on a 2007 Hyundai Sonata, okay? So first, before we even start, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you guys do so now. Do it. Like I always tell you guys, I'm giving you guys knowledge, showing knowledge, and you know, you might learn from it. You're gonna learn a lot, especially if you're a woman, okay? You wanna make sure you don't keep spending your money for every little thing. You go to the mechanic and then, you know, taking all your money. And the mechanic, they greedy, man. They're gonna be charging you a lot. So that's why I created Kingley Auto channel, so I can help you guys out. All right, so I think we're gonna need this and this, because there's a couple tools in there that we're gonna need to take that thing out. Hopefully it works. All right, because it's not like a flat and stall, you know, thing. It's a little different. So let me show you guys. All right. Oh man, guess what? I forgot to get the one that I bought. But anyway, this is the one we're gonna change, okay? But the one that I bought is inside, so I'm gonna go grab it real quick. Let me leave these things here. Nobody gonna steal them. Hope not. All right guys, there it is. There it is. There go the one that I just bought. Oh, it's really a mess in there. If I don't fix that car, I'm gonna be in trouble. But there go the one that I just bought off eBay. I think I paid how much did I pay for it? I think I paid $30 for it. So hopefully it works. Okay, hopefully it works. So we're gonna try it. It's supposed to be like this. Boom. Right, so now I don't know if you guys can see those screws. Okay, they look different. The head look different, so it's not like the normal ones. So that's why I said I don't know if those things gonna really work, man. I don't know if they're gonna really work. I mean, it's not gonna hurt to try, but yeah, it's not working. It's not gonna work. So you know what, if I can't find something to take it out, man, this video, and I don't think I got those, but hey, no, hold on. I might have it in this little bad boy here. At least I hope so. Okay, I hope that I have it, but if I don't, man, it's gonna be trouble. I thought we almost had it, man, but it's too big, yo. And I think that's the one that's gonna look like it was gonna fit in there. But this one, oh man, yeah, it's not gonna work. God damn it, it's not gonna work, guys. I think we have a winner. Yeah. Oh, that thing's sticking there. We do have a winner, guys. We do have a winner. That's why, guys, it's always good to buy like different type of you know, different type of tools, man, because y'all never know. So see, woo, you guys see that? You see how sweet is that? Always got your tools, guys. Always got your tools. Like mechanic, if you're doing car job, always got your tools, man, because you never know. Man, because you're gonna need them suckers anytime, man. So we're gonna put this one right here. Make sure we don't lose it. So it's only 3 of them. Okay. Get the first one already. Ah, that one was kind of tight. Get this thing out. Okay. Oh man. But one thing I don't wanna, you know what? That window be up, okay? So that's why I'm trying to fix it, but I did do a mistake. I left those things open, and sometimes when it's raining, the water drop in there. Dang, I heard a noise. What is it? Nothing trying to get inside of my car. Uh-oh. Let me just close that one, guys. There's the door. That way, no sucker bird get in my car. Okay? So, gotta put it right here. All right. Now we got the last one. Before we even take the last one out, I was wondering if it was gonna be like kind of easier to take that one first. Okay, maybe not. We're gonna take the last one out. There you go. There you go. I really like working on cars, guys. Like little stuff like this, you don't have to pay a mechanic, man. So I keep telling people, you don't have to pay a mechanic to do them for you. You can easily do them, okay? Easily do them, man. Oh, come on. Oh my God, come on. Should be good right now. Okay, the last one is playing hard to get out. Okay, pop it out. Oh, so it looks different from the other ones. Okay. So now, guys, put that bad boy down. So now, what we gonna do is, you know, take it out. But this look different. Oh, I see what happened. This look different. But the reason why is probably because that thing stick in there. Yeah, that's why. That little thing stuck in there. Okay. All right. So we take that one out, and then we're gonna, oh, see how dirty the thing is? Then we're gonna pop that thing open. So I think the way to do it, you guys can see that little, oh no, not, yeah. We need a flat one. We need a flat head. Most of my, oh, okay, I got one, because most of them are, I lost most of them, and like I said, I lost most of them, and one already fall. And if I'm not mistaken, I had one in this thing, and I'm pretty sure it was gonna work too. Oh, there you go, it did work. Oh my God, keep dropping my stuff, man. Keep dropping my tools. Put that thing in there. Tied it. I had that thing for a long time now, guys. Had it for a long time. So now I think the way to do it is to kind of like, there you go. Pop, push this up, and then woo, and get it out. Push it up and get it out. So now, time for the new one. So should we, I think we should try to feed it in there first. Okay, let's try to feed it in there first, guys. Alright, Okay, there you go. Woo-wee! So now, I think the first one was, oh, it didn't matter, it's still the same thing. But we're gonna put this bad boy here. Oh, come on, you got this. I put the last one first because it's kind of look like the hole look bigger in there, so looks like it's gonna fit in there better, okay, than the other ones. I don't know if you guys can see it right here, but where is it? All right, you see what I said? The hole look bigger. The bigger the hose, the easier is it to get in, right guys? Yeah, bigger the hole, the easier it is to get in. I know y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm talking about, but anyways guys, okay, we got that one in. Uh-oh. Why? You know, that's why it's kind of like a headache when you're working with your tools on dirt, where dirt's at, you know what I mean? Because once that thing fall, it's kind of hard to see it. Okay, it's kind of hard to see it, man. Let me see that one. I don't know if that one was in. Okay, there it goes. Fit it in there. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. We're gonna put the other one. Hopefully you guys see it good. Right here. All right, guys. So now we're gonna connect it in there. Okay, and all you have to do is push it and make sure you hear that click noise. Okay, pretty sure you guys heard it. Whew. So now what we're gonna do is moment of the truth, right? We're gonna see if that thing is working. Like I said, that thing might be working, but the fact that every time it rains the water drop in there, it might have messed up some of the electrical thing, you know, because I did leave this in there, which I shouldn't do that. All right. What the? All right, we turn it off. So now let's see something. Okay, that one is working. Okay guys, so this is not working. Okay, it's still not working. So my thing is, okay, you see, as you guys can see, the other one is working. Okay, the other one is working, but for some reason this one is not working. So maybe it wasn't the motor. Maybe it wasn't the motor. Maybe it was something else. Maybe it was something else, because it should have worked. So this already connect. So all the power thing already connect in there. So I did try to put it up, but I can't. For some reason I can't. Alright, so alright guys, I thought it was that motor window that was working. I ordered one, and as you guys can see, that's not the case. So now what I have to do is, I don't know if my time frame is already passed. I'm gonna try to return it, okay? Because if it's not the, if it wasn't the reason why, if it's not the problem, why keeping it, huh? Make no sense, right? But anyway, I'm gonna try to I'm gonna return it. Let me see. Oh my battery dead, which I'm not surprised. Yeah, which I'm not surprised that the battery's dead. Okay, but yeah guys, I'm gonna make sure I return that thing because it's not working. All right, but hey, I show you guys how to do it. It's just not working for me, but it might be the reason why your window is not working. So never hurt to try. Okay, make sure when you buy those things, you make sure you can return them. All right, so there it is. That's how you change your front driver power window motor. Okay, and see you guys for another video. All right, I'm out.